Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of definite integrals. And if I talk about the question that is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us let beta m dot n is given to us as integral limits go from 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. And the question tells us m and n both are greater than 0. Then we have been told in this question that if integral of 0 to 1, the expression given to us is 1 minus x to the power 10 to the power 20 dx is a cross beta b comma c, then we have been asked to figure out the value of 100 times a plus b plus c is equals to what? So that's the question asking us to find the expression's value for. And if I talk about the answer choices that I have been given here, the answer choices are 2012, 1021, 1120, and the last answer choice I have been given is 2120. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for this value of the expression that they have asked us to figure out. Let's try to solve this question further. So first of all, I have been given integral of 0 to 1 minus x to the power 10 to the power 20 dx. And we have to basically write this in the form of a multiplied with beta b comma c. So if I want to get the expression of beta, I have been told already that beta m comma n can be written as 0 to 1. So the limits are already adjusted. X to the power m minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. So if I have here, I don't have x to the power m minus 1 here anywhere, but I can see it is 1 minus x. Here I have 1 minus x to the power 10. So if I don't want x to the power 10, instead of that, I should just have a variable x. What I can do is to solve this expression, I understand that I can just substitute. Let's say x to the power 10 as any variable t. Now, if I put any variable t, if I use the idea of substitution, I have to find dx also. To find the dx, I'll take the derivative of this. So 10 x to the power 9 dx here will give me dt. But that 10 x to the power 9 with dx is not present here. So I cannot use this idea. So this is of no use to us. So what I can do is I don't want this x only. So to eliminate it, I'll take that power 10 on the other side and then take the derivative. So x becomes 10 t to the power 1 over 10 because that power 10 I've shifted here on the other side of the variable. Now if I take the derivative, I directly get dx and dx becomes 1 over 10 t to the power n minus 1. So 1 over 10 minus 1 dt. So now I can just replace dx as this. So integral of 0 to 1 minus x to the power 10 to the power 20 dx. Now if I have changed my variable, my limits also would change. So let's verify. X to the power 10 I'm putting as t. So x is t to the power 1 over 10 or x to the power 10 is basically t. So if I put x as 0, t also becomes 0 to the power 10, which is 0. And if I put x as 1 to the power 10 also would make it 1. So t also in that case would become 1. So the limits do not change. It will still remain same. And now if I see here, what does my expression become? 1 minus x to the power 10, I've put it as t to the power 20 as it is. And dx, we have already got that also. So 1 over 10 t to the power 1 over 10 minus 1. So minus 1 means I multiply and divide by 10. So I get 1 minus 10 minus 9 over 10. So minus 9 over 10 dt. So from here what I get is 1 over 10 as it is. Limits from 0 to 1. T to the power minus 9 over 10 and 1 minus t to the power 20 dt. So we have this entire expression with us. Once I have this entire expression with me, I can use the idea of property of definite integral and just replace that t with x. So if I replace that t with x, my expression becomes 1 over 10 as it is. Limits still 0 to 1, t to the power, or instead of t, I'm just writing it as x. So x to the power, let's see what I get. So x to the power minus 9 over 10, 1 minus x to the power 20 dx. So I've just replaced t with x here using the property of definite integral. So if I use this idea now, let's see what I get is comparing that with beta m comma n, which said 0 to 1, x to the power was m minus 1, and 1 minus x to the power, it was n minus 1 dx. And here I have gotten that as integral of 0 to 1 only. With x, I have minus 9 over 10. And with 1 minus x, I have that as 20. So here if I want, because I want to write this in the terms of beta b comma c, because the entire expression we have been told that it is equals to a times beta of b comma c. So a I have directly gotten here. A is this 1 over 10. So a is 1 over 10 because it is multiplied with beta b comma c. And if I try to replace this also now, I know m is nothing but beta. So b minus 1 becomes minus 9 over 10. So b becomes 1 minus 9 over 10. So that's 1 over 10. And c is nothing but n, which in this case is this. So n minus 1 is 20. So c minus 1 is 20. So from here I get c is 20 plus 1, which is 21. So I have A, I have B, I have C, all the three of them with me. Once I have all the three of them, let's try to figure out. So basically that entire expression which was there given to us, integral of 0 to 1, 1 minus x to the power 10 to the power 20 dx was A which in the case we got this as 1 over 10, and beta, B comma C, where B I got that as 1 over 10, C I got that as 20. So I got ABCs. I have to figure out the value of the expression. 100 times A plus B plus C. So 100 times A is 1 over 10, B is 1 over 10, C is 20. So from here, 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10 gives me 2 over 10 plus 21, and that gives me 1 over 5. So 100, 1 over 5 plus 21. So multiplying with 5 both sides to make the denominator same, I get 100 1 plus 105 over 5. So from here I get 100 times 106 over 5. So that gives me 5 and 20. So 0 as it is, and 106, the double of that is 212. So we get the answer that is correct here, which matches with the answer choice D. So D becomes a correct answer for this expression's value that is asked to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. So this entire question, we had been given this integral and we tried to convert that integral in this form. So to get in this form, instead of x to the power 10, I just needed x. So I just substituted x to the power 10 as another variable t and converted that in the form of beta b comma c. With that comparing, I got a, b, c. Once I got a, b, c's value, I just found the value of the expression that was asked to us here that matched with answer choice D. So D becomes the correct answer for this question. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying this videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well and do subscribe to my channel and share this channel with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are solving. Thank you.